In this video, I will show you the exact steps to download and install OneLion RP on your computer so you can start your roleplay journey today. This popular server offers an immersive experience, but getting it set up requires a few specific tools. First, you must ensure that you have a legitimate copy of Grand Theft Auto 5 installed on your PC through Steam or the Epic Games Store. Once your game is ready, open your web browser and search for the 5M application. Download the client from the official website and run the installer. After 5M is finished installing, launch the program and sign in using your Rockstar Social Club account. Now you need to find the OneLion RP server. You can do this by opening the server list and typing the name into the search bar. If the server has a custom launcher or a specific Discord requirement, make sure to join their community link to get whitelisted first. Click Connect and wait for the assets to download. Now you are ready to play.